Come on. Gonna move this thing closer here. This is probably gonna trash my camera out here. I'll have to blow it off. Get this guy. Alright, we got around I can't do this with this in the way. Move the cart just a little bit. I don't think you have to round these off. I'm just doing it. Then I got some 150 sandpaper here. I think in the end these things are going to look pretty good. I gotta round that other side up here. I got a little dent on that one. Nothing in there. Yeah, still got a sharp edge. Ooh, look at all that rust. We're going to paint all this anyway. Acetone will probably take that rust right off of there. I'll wipe her down quick with some acetone before we paint it. I decided to paint these kind of the same colors in the yellow of the US General 56. Yeah, there you go, a lot of dirt in there too. I don't think I'm going to paint the inside, so I don't want to put the drills in, take the drills out, put the drills in, take them out. Next thing you know, you got yellow paint on all your tools. So we'll leave the inside natural. Alright, there we go. Then I'll have to drill some holes and countersink the screw heads. And the fun part, these things leveled up so I can get some holes in and countersunk. Come on. Close enough. Yeah, we trust a little countersink. See in there, countersunk. You can't see with the camera there. Yeah, I think you can. Alright, we got 6 done. Whoa, back over here. There you go. Oh, yeah. I gotta make some noise because of the radio. There we go. And, well, it's not the radio, it's the CD player. I already pre-marked them back so all the holes are the same distance. I just kind of split it up in the holes, 1 1/4 and 5 7/8. I can get some drywall screws in there. But I'll just stick it back in there to show you. The back one's just clearing the hole there. Alright, I think you can get the gist of that. Alright, this is coat number 2. On gray pipe, I think this is actually kind of like a, I don't know, yellow green. Looks pretty cool. I think with the Walt Makita drills poked in there, a lot of it look pretty good, eh? Heck yeah. These don't have a second coat on yet. Just those back there in the back look like birdhouses.